Here I have HTC U12 Plus, and let me show you how to enter the HTC Function Test Mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer right here and let's use the following secret code: asterisk hash 3424 hash asterisk. As you can see, the HTC Function Test pops up. Let's tap accept, and here you can do a couple of useful things. For example, you can perform the hardware test. You can test here the audio, Bluetooth, charger, headset, sensors, vibrations, edge sensor, blacklight, buttons, LED, Wi-Fi, camera, and a lot of more. For example, if you would like to test something, let's just click it. For example, vibrator test. Let's enable this menu and choose run. Tap start to test your vibrator. So if it works normally, tap yes. Now the vibrator is working. Let's choose stop, and as you can see, you have to tap yes to confirm that the vibrator works normally. You can also here select all and perform all tests. It's good sometimes to test all hardware features. For example, if you are buying or selling the device. That's it. You can also unselect the whole thing by using the same key, and you may also choose more to, for example, enter the save mode or to perform more tests such as the NFC, battery, a live call, and some other stuff. So basically that's it. If you would like to quit this mode, you can, for example, choose the following key and make it close, and everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.